So the first thing that you want to do when you open up Microsoft Planner is create a new plan. So over here you can see that I already have a shared plan, but I want to create my own. So if you were to go around onto my plans and click on create new, then you can go ahead and start with a grid and a board, or you can use one of the templates as you need as well. Let's just go around over here with grid and board. So if I were to go around over here, let's say for example, I'm going to go around and say video production as the planner right here. You can add it to the pin plan section as well, and you can even go ahead and add it to group if you want to as well. But let me just go ahead right here and click on create right here, and then you simply have a new plan right here. So here you can see the grid, you can see the board, you can see the schedule, and you can see the chart of the planner right here. So apart from that, you can also go ahead and create a new plan by going on to the new plan section. So from over here, you can go ahead right here, and let's say for example, go ahead and add in a new plan. Let me just go ahead, add it to my pin plan as well. And over here, what I'm going to do now is say animation. Let's say for example, right here, and click on create. Then you can see these plans right here that you can click and navigate around. So if I were to go to my plans, then you see your pin plans, of course, and then you see the other plans as well. And you can see the privacy details of the plan and see who have accessed it as well. And that is how you can go ahead and make your plan inside of Microsoft Planner. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.